I want to show off this cool mod I did here. This is our 2022, what is it, 22RR. So that folds down and we can pull in the bikes, the motorcycles, anything like that. This part folds up. You can take the pad off and make it a bed if you want. It had the same thing on the other side, but we didn't use it. We only use this for a couch. So I put in this bar setup here, and you got these ottomans that fold up. Put the electric heater in there just to store it, and you can pull them out. And I'm just gonna pull back here while I do this, and I can get it done with one hand setup. Sorry, it folds down, so you can fold it out completely, push those back into place, and you've got that out of the way for when you go down the road. And it's just a nice clean setup. And then we use that as a table, workspace for laptops, everything else. I took the TV and mounted it on this side because it was on this side where I got my little Harley's flag, and that makes it just a nice cleaner, so you can sit from this side, watch the TV if you want to, that kind of stuff. And of course I've still got all the old parts, so it can all go back together again, just like it is on the other side, to a couch, and you can convert the whole thing into a bed if you want to. Like I said, we just didn't use it that way. It's much more functional this way. I think they should give that as an option. But there you go, just a little something else. Thanks.